Hello, my name is Ana Maria Zuleta Salazar. I am 21 years old. I am studying administration and living in Cali. I'm living with my brother and my daughter. In my spare time, I love watching movies. I am happy. I am a little small and have dark brown edges and have medium hair. I was born in Barbacoa, years ago. I came to live in Cali to prove my story and have a 2-year-old daughter. I am single mother, living in the city of Cali and love tourist places. I like to explore restaurants, a king of food. My parents live in Mawipayam, a small municipality of Barbacoa. I am a very conservative woman. I don't know have friends or friends. This is my leading story. Happy day.